founder of African Intellectual Resource Organization, as the name implies. So it's simple. It explains a lot of concepts that has to do with Africa's economy, research, and the rest. So we are engaging the atmosphere of Africa. When I mean by atmosphere, the land of Africa, the institutions of Africa, the non-governmental, policies on the rest of Africa. We are trying to give Africa a very wonderful face. We are creating facelift for Africa. When it comes to research arena, the sectors, several sectors that Africa is piloting. So we have 5 cardinal points. We call it this. THESE. There's technology, health, education, science, and economy. So we are doing a research work on these, and we are putting those research into limelight and let the government, the leaders, understand that these are the areas we lack, and these are the areas that we are insufficient of, and these are the areas that needs investment, that needs this, that needs that. So we are building an economic revolutionary plan around professionals that engage in development of Africa. So the focus plan is to transform Africa through research projects. Like our education system, there's a need now to come and ensure that we have a common language in Africa. So right now we have started a movement, we call it United Nations of Africa. And one of the barriers that must be quickly engaged is our language. Though it's a beautiful thing to have different languages. Of course, Africa is, even Nigeria alone, we have more than 200 languages. So we are carrying a poll, 3 most well-spread languages in Africa. So we have Swahili, we have Yoruba, we have Fula, and we want to ensure that one of these languages is endorsed, and we make use of it and we start spreading it, so that the barrier, the trade barrier, the visa barrier, the border barrier, the security barrier, the whatever barrier, the economic barrier, all those things will be no more. So if I'm able to speak your language, you will easily welcome in your country. So that is what we want to do, and that is what has been the kind of problem, a lot of challenges that is coming upon Africa. So we want to eradicate such problems. So it's one of the educational mechanism plans that we are having. What about economy? What about technology? Technology is now like hot cake in the world. So African Intellectual Resource Organization want to do a very massive and robust research around technology innovatively to ensure that we have programs and inventions that will help us drive our economy, when it comes to technology. So it's a consulting body of professionals that work in the area that I've mentioned.